Hi, today we want to... What do you want to do today?
I want to do
This one. What? Open what? The two toy, two McDonald Happy Meal toy. Okay, so the first one is this. What is this? What is this? A cola. Okay. Okay, so this is the Kookoo, the tea toy, the teeny tea toy. Kookoo, the cola from Australia. Okay, you want to open this first? Okay, this one. This one another Tomica. This is
another Tomica. Why another Tomica?
Construction site and Suzuki.
Why another Tomica?
And
Why
Suzuki
got
okay.
so many Tomicas?
This one we open it later, okay?
Why got so many Tomicas?
Tomica is the brand. Okay,
Why
the
got so
brand
many
for the
more?
toy. Okay, we open this one first, okay?
Why not this one first?
We open this one first, okay?
Why got
Okay.
another Tomica?
We got okay because this is a McDonald Happy Meal series. Got 4 toys. Now we got the third toy, which is the construction site and the Suzuki Jimny, and we got another toys before, so you can watch back the other 2 toys. Okay, if you want to watch. Okay, now we open this one. It's the cola. Wow, you see this cola, so cute. Is it cute? Show mommy. Alright, so this toy is just like that. It's a soft toy. Okay. Okay, now we open this one. You want to open this one?
Yes.
Okay, now we open this Tomica construction site and Suzuki. Suzuki Jimny. What's that?
I just steal my clothes.
Oh no. Wow, you see what is this?
Little Bob.
It's a Jeep. Okay, baby. Where is the construction site? Okay.
The sticker is underneath one.
Yes, the sticker is underneath. Okay.
How do I open it?
Okay, baby. Yes, we have to open this one. How to open it?
I found this.
Okay, just like the previous 2 toys, this one also got the... What is this? What is this? What is this called? What is this called? It's the base. The base for the construction site. Okay. Okay. Can you join it? Oh, we have done it. Okay. Now we have to stick. No, we have to paste the sticker on it. Okay.
How it can go in?
Oh, it no need to go in because the car just parked beside the construction site. Okay. No need to go in. The car just parked beside the construction site. Okay, now we want to paste the sticker. Okay. You want to paste the sticker? You want to paste the sticker?
Yes.
Okay.
Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs. Go up the stairs.
Okay, baby. Paste this one first. Okay.
Okay.
This one is the construction site. Okay. Okay. Which? Daddy help you peel. Okay.
No, me.
Alright.
Me.
Where should you paste it?
It's over here.
Yes.
Easy that. Oh no.
You don't need to join this base first. This base is later. Daddy help you hold it. Not so nice. This one like this not so nice. You have to paste it again. Like Daddy help you.
It's not sticky
Nah,
anymore.
yeah, it's still sticky. It's okay. Nah, paste it right here.
Two hands. Be careful. Here.
Okay. Daddy do it
Upstairs.
Up the stair? Yes, up the stair.
I
Good job.
Can I count my people up the stairs?
Can.
My finger?
This finger is the people?
Yes. This is the yes like this.
Go up the stairs?
Yes. Now we have to climb up another stair.
Alright.
Oh no.
Okay, can you paste the sticker first? Because the sticker is actually, you can make this sticker become the stair, okay?
Okay.
Wow, good job.
I'm here now.
Okay, which one you think? Which one is it?
This one.
Yes, okay.
Yay, so sticky. Stairs are there. Which one can be the stairs?
This one?
This one can be the stairs.
Yeah, you paste it first, later I tell you how it can be the stair.
What about the stairs?
Later I tell you paste first.
Oh no.
Nicely one, okay?
Here or here?
Oh, both can. Because later you got another piece of sticker.
This here.
Just the same, yes. Just the same. Yes.
Here.
Wow, good job.
Oh no. You know. That's three. Then what is this for?
That one is long one. Later you see you finish pasting this first. You finish this first.
What is this? The long this tooth. Oh.
No, it's okay. Later Daddy make it better.
Yet takes it guys. The young one just pasted.
Alright.
Apple. Yes, Daddy just pasted.
Actually, you should paste it nicely, okay?
Apple.
Okay, this one where should we paste it?
What's the name? Another one also same.
Yes.
Also another one.
Yes.
Also got another one.
Yes.
Who paste another one?
Later Daddy paste, okay?
Who paste another one?
Maybe how faster finish it.
Sorry.
You want to do the car already?
It's here?
Yes. No. Upside down already. The arrow should be go up, not go down. Yes, like this, correct.
Here?
Yes. Yes, good job.
I placed another one.
Alright.
Go here. Go now. Go Go over here.
Go up. The arrow go up, baby.
Go.
Yes, like this.
Go down,
No, go up, no go down.
Go down.
Okay, go down. You can do it, go down.
Go down. Down.
Okay. Okay, now you do the car.
The color.
You must look at the instruction. Good job.
Yeah. Now the knot. What? What is another one? Is it correct?
Yes, correct.
Oh, I cannot paste it. Yeah.
Daddy help you. Daddy help you, huh?
It's just sticky.
Yes. You go to take another one.
This was so beautiful.
Wow, good job.
Over the It's still okay.
Okay.
You have to be quick.
Okay.
Later the time is running out.
Yes, the time is running out.
Oh no, no, no. The time is running out. Oh no.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay.
Oh, time is running out. It's okay. Time, tail. We are quick, so quick.
Yes, the lamp upside down already.
Ha, ha, ha. Hoo, hoo, ho. We got the running out.
No, up here.
We got the one of time. Yeah, running of time.
Okay,
We are
good job.
running of time.
Yes, okay.
Oh, no.
Oh, the backlight here.
Oh, no, no,
Where do
no.
you see?
We're running out of time, Mommy. We're running out of time.
Oh, no. Now you take it,
We're running out of time, Mommy. Daddy, we're running out of time. We're running out of time.
Oh, so small.
No.
Daddy to place it, okay?
Okay.
I think I want to place here, okay?
Is it?
Yes, can. Okay, ding. Done. Show mommy. Let mommy take a photo of it. Let mommy take a photo of the car. You put this on the base first. Ding. It's a Jeep. Suzuki Jeep. Oh, so this one is like this. Okay. Maybe you know how this one to be a ladder, how to be a stairs. You can climb from here and go up here because the worker is very skillful. Okay, baby, say goodbye to our friend.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.
See you next time.